In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Facebook. Whether you're looking to take a break from chatting or simply want some privacy while browsing, this guide will help you adjust your active status with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Facebook settings. To do this, open Facebook on your browser or app and look for the settings option. On a computer, it's typically found by clicking the downward arrow in the top right corner of your Facebook page. On a mobile device, it might be under the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Once you've accessed the settings, you're ready for the next step. With the settings open, find the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Active Status and press Enter. This search will help you locate the specific area within the settings where you can manage how your online status is displayed to others. The active status controls whether your friends and contacts can see if you're currently online or have recently been active on Facebook and Messenger. Now let's proceed to the results. You'll see an option labeled Active Status in the search results. Click on this to proceed. If you haven't turned off your status before, this is where you'll find the necessary toggle switch. However, if your status is already turned off, you might not see the option here. In such cases, the Messenger app provides an alternative way to manage your active status more directly. It's important to note that turning off your active status means you won't be able to see when your friends are active or recently active either. This change is mutual, ensuring that privacy goes both ways. If you want to appear offline but still want to communicate with certain people, consider using the Messenger app to turn off active status for specific contacts, thereby customizing your visibility as needed. Once you've located the active status settings, simply toggle the switch to turn it off. This action will make you appear offline. Remember, these changes usually take effect immediately, but it's always a good idea to double check by asking a friend what your status appears to be or by viewing your profile from another account if possible. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully managed to appear offline on Facebook. Whether you're taking a break or just need some time to yourself, this feature can be incredibly useful. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.